Hi everyone, it's Dave. Now whether you just got a big green egg or you simply want to brush up on your cooking skills, today we're going to give you a refresher course on mastering the basics of grilling, roasting, smoking, and baking on your big green egg. While a big green egg is very simple to use, it never hurts to shorten up your learning curve so you can start producing amazing results on your own. And regardless of what cooking technique you're going for, every cook on the big green egg starts the same way. First, we need to top off our natural lump charcoal so it reaches the rim of the firebox. Now slide the patented bottom draft door and dual function metal top completely open for maximum airflow. To light the charcoal, you can use one of Big Green Egg's various charcoal lighters, but today it's all about basics, so we'll use a simple fire stick to get this fire going. Nestle 1 or 2 fire starters in the center of the charcoal and light. After 7 to 8 minutes, several coals should be glowing. Once your temperature starts to climb, reduce the airflow by adjusting the dual function metal top and patented stainless steel draft door. Small adjustments can be made if necessary to fine-tune the temperature. This part takes a little practice at the beginning, but just remember, the bigger the opening, the higher the temperature. The secret to great food cooked on the big green egg centers around heat retention, air circulation, and temperature control. This is why the dome should be closed while cooking, allowing heat to radiate inside the egg and keep moisture from escaping. Now that we have our charcoal lit, let's move on to a direct grilling setup. Direct grilling usually takes place at a temperature between 400 to 700 degrees depending on the food you're cooking. Add your stainless steel or cast iron cooking grid and you're ready to grill. Now with roasting, food is not directly exposed to the heat because the convector is used to direct heat up and around the food, much like a convection oven. This typically takes place at a temperature between 300 to 400 degrees. Once you've reached your desired cooking temperature, add the convector to provide a heat barrier between the charcoal and the food. Then add the cooking grid and you're ready to roast. Now for some, cooking low and slow is what real barbecue is all about. Typical smoking temperatures range from 200 to 300 degrees. This technique tenderizes tough cuts of meat like beef brisket, pork shoulder, and spare ribs. Once you've reached your desired cooking temperature, first add any smoking woods, then add your convector and cooking grid, and just like that, you're ready to smoke. And finally, your egg can bake breads, pies, casseroles, and the most delicious slice of pizza you've ever eaten. To get started, bring the egg to your desired temperature. Baking temperatures generally range from 350 to 450 degrees, but thin crust pizzas and flatbreads are often quick baked at a temperature of up to 600 degrees. Add your convector, cooking grid, and then any baking stones if necessary. Now you're ready to bake on your big green egg. Whether you're grilling the perfect steak, roasting a juicy chicken, smoking a rack of ribs, or baking a crispy pizza, everything tastes better cooked on a big green egg. If you have any questions, give us a call or come talk to the experts in person. We're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road, outdoor home where outdoor living is always in.